Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company. In today's video, I wanted to introduce you to the new Wrap and Tuck Coating Applicator Kit. This is a bit of a departure for us. You know, we've always had our applicator sponges as well as our new applicator sponges, the Pearl Puck and the No Soak applicators, but there's still a number of folks that love doing it the original way, the old school way, if you will, of applying ceramic coatings utilizing a single sheet of suede and a foam block. So we thought, well, let's give you that and add a little value into it. So in this kit, you get 2 applicators and 30 suedes. So that should be plenty to coat as many cars as you possibly can. And for most people wondering, you can usually use 2 to 4 applicators of this suede per vehicle, depending on the size of the vehicle. So 30 should get you quite a number of cars. And with the 2 blocks, you've got not only a nice dense foam, but a very soft, porous foam on the bottom that allows it to glide over the surface effortlessly. Now, with these guys, all you gotta do, take your piece of suede, you'll slide it into each one of these locks as you wrap it around, then you can go and apply it. When you're done, you just peel it off. You can toss it and then move on to the next one. So there you have it. You've got our new Wrap and Tuck Coating Applicator Kit from the Rag Company. Pick it up today, try it out for yourself, and it is safe for all surfaces. So paint, wheels, glass, vinyl wrap, PPF, you name it, this stuff works perfectly for any type of coating. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.